Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to import fonts into Pixlr photo editor. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead and click on create new and then select the resolution that you want. So for example, I'm gonna select this one and then click on create. Once you do that, go ahead and on the left side of your screen, you're going to find text. Go ahead and click on text. And then right here, you're going to find add text. If you click on it, you're going to find this box. Right here, you can choose the text that you want to type. So for example, I'm going to type imported font. So right now, what you need to do, guys, in order to import the font that you want to add is in a new tab, go ahead and search for the font or any site that has fonts. So my favorite one is the font. And then choose any font that you want. For example, I'm going to add this font. So the font that you like, go ahead and click on download. And then once the font is downloaded, go ahead and go to downloads and then right click the folder of the font and make sure to extract it. Once you extract the font, then go back to Pixlr and go ahead and click on your text. And right here, you're going to find fonts. So click here and then go all the way down and you're going to find add local font. Go ahead and click on add local fonts and then go to the location of the font and double click it. Once you double click it, you're going to find that now it's added right here. So what you need to do, guys, right now is select the text that you want to change the font for and then click on the font that you want to use. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.